Hi, Brad from bradsautoglass.com. Today we're going to be changing a Ranger fixed or stationary window. It'll be the left on this particular vehicle. It's a very simple job to do. There's just a few things you need to check. You need to check down in the lower corner of your windows to make sure that the word Ford or Carlite is written in the glass in the lower corner. So check the remaining. Another telltale sign that it's a Ford or Carlite is there's two rivets out here on the latch, and this part only fits 3-window, not 4-window. If it says Carlite and it's a 4-window slider, this part will not work. It only fits the 3-window, so check that. So once you've got everything all cleaned up and ready to go, and for my naysayers, this is brake clean, and this is absolutely the best thing to clean broken glass or to clean dirty glass. And I'm going to take and prep this by just simply wiping it on and getting the glass clean so that it'll accept urethane. I'm also going to do the same thing on the glass. I'm going to go around the edge, just take all the hand oil and grease off, and that takes care of it. I use an electric caulk gun. You can use a manual. You're going to apply urethane all the way around, and then you're going to put just a small bead or dab of urethane on this broken glass that's in the mullion. And don't worry about the glass being missing, but just make sure you get this so that there's enough in there to make contact with the glass. This urethane has 1,000 pounds per square inch of tensile strength, and any contact with that glass and that mullion is going to be enough to hold it. After the window is in and been taped in place, the next day you can come back and you can seam this and get a little more on the inside, but don't try and do it all in one day. I'm going to run this. I do this a little differently, but you can do it with just a regular opening. Alright, so I've already started running the urethane. This is the urethane that we sell in the store, and I got to clean up a little of my work here. You just need to run a bead all the way around on the glass that's still bonded to the frame. This glass, this broken glass that I'm going over, is bonded at the factory in a process. It's called vulcanizing. And it's extremely well bonded, which is why we do not remove the broken glass. If you remove the broken glass, this part will not work. Now remember, I told you earlier that we were going to run this little bit of urethane right here, right down this mullion. I'm just putting a bead right on top of the broken glass and filling in where there's glass missing, and this will bond to this. We'll have a nice bond, and then you're going to want to go back in the next day and run a bead on that again from the inside. Alright, so I got my bead all the way around. I'm going to take and lay this glass right on the molding so that it catches it, and put it right up into place, and then work it down. And then this molding, we want to just catch the edge of the glass with it. Now, one other thing you want to do after you get this all pushed into place is it's got to be taped, and I'll do that in a second. We want to close this window. That helps keep the alignment. So the reason we're taping this is because setting in the sun or a warm climate, it would want to sag down. And so it's day 2, and I've got a little bit of a gap there where the window meets the mullion. So I'm going to go outside and we're going to take the blue tape And we're going to, you're out here. So we're going to take the blue tape and we're going to put it on from top to bottom. And we're going to push it onto this plastic. And what we're doing is we're stopping the urethane from squeezing through and coming on the outside. Gives it something to go to. So now I'm going to go back inside and I'm going to shoot a bead of urethane. And start at the top. And just come right down. And there you have it. So what I did was I just started at the top and seamed it all the way down. Now try and resist the temptation of sticking your finger in there and smoothing that out, because one, there's broken glass, you could cut your finger, and two, you're going to get the urethane on your finger, and urethane is very difficult to clean off. If in the event that you should do that, the best thing for cleaning the urethane off is the brake clean. It will get it off any surface that you get it on by accident. That went in real nice. Now, so if you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call at the technical support number in the auction. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us. I'm Brad from bradsautoglass.com.